Have you ever taken a break? Para habang nagpapahinga ka, parang may guilt ka pa rin sa puso mo. Parang may boses sa loob mo na nagsasabing, sayang ang oras, ang dami mo pang dapat gawin. Let me say this gently today. You are allowed to rest and you don't have to feel guilty for it. Rest is not laziness. Rest is wisdom. Even God, after creating the universe, He rested. If the creator of the world took a break, bakit tayo? Parang kailangang laging on the go. Hindi mo kailangan mapagod para lang maramdaman mong may value ka. You don't have to earn your worth through exhaustion. Productivity is not your identity, and being tired all the time is not proof of faithfulness. You're not a machine. You have limits, emotional, physical, mental. And rest is how God reminds you, anak, tao ka, hindi ikaw si Lord. And guess what? That's not a bad thing. You're not failing when you pause. You're not weak when you rest. You are wise. But let's be honest. Rest isn't just about sleeping. It's about being restored. Yung peace ng puso mo, yung mental space mo na hindi laging puno, yung joy mo na unti-unting bumabalik, that kind of rest, it's a gift and you're allowed to receive it. Sabi ni Jesus sa Matthew 11:28, "Come to me, all who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest." So today, breathe. Pikit ka sandali. Put down the pressure. You're allowed to rest without guilt. And if this message gave you the permission your heart has been waiting for, please share it. Someone you love might be pushing themselves too hard. And maybe this is the sign they've been praying for.